Oh my gosh, I am so happy. All right guys, today is a really big day. We are working on the nursery and we have a lot on the to-do list. I have a new rug, I have a new lamp, I have new cabinet pulls, I've got new wall art, curtains, so many things. Oh, and we have to build the crib. So many things. But first, the biggest thing and the thing that I've been looking forward to the most out of the whole nursery is painting the sun on the wall. I've been kind of taking you guys along with me as we've been working on this, mapping it out and doing like the first layer. And now it is finally time to put the color on the wall. It feels like a big moment. I'm very excited to make this happen and then put the crib in place and everything. I feel like it's gonna be so cute, but I've also never done a kind of big painting project like this. So I'm kind of also just crossing my fingers that it works and it looks cute. Like I said, we've got a lot of stuff that we wanna make happen today. Probably everything won't happen today and it won't end in like a nursery reveal or like a nursery tour or something like that, because there's a lot more stuff that we'll have to do. But this is a lot of the big pieces of like the style in the room, like all of the baby stuff kind of still up in the air. Definitely still working on that piece of it, the most important part. But as far as like making the room cute, I feel like we're gonna get pretty far today. Also, in case you're wondering, yes, as we paint this room and as we put the pieces together today, you will find out the gender of the baby. We are very excited to share this. It's been very hard to keep it a secret, but I'm so excited to share it with you guys. And I'm so excited to see this room coming together finally. Yes, I do have my overalls on finally. You guys were freaking out in the comments a couple of vlogs ago when I wasn't wearing the overalls and you guys were like, what are you doing? You're not living your pregnant in overalls dreams. And I hear you, I didn't want to mess them up. And you know what? I realized it doesn't matter if they get messed up. These are my pregnant overalls, and what better way to mess them up than painting the nursery, you know? I love these overalls so much. They're actually not maternity, but they are like a pink purple acid wash, which is so cute. They come in different colors. I just sized up to make them fit. Actually, let me show you a much better view of them. These are pieces of the crib. We've got a lot of chaos around right now. Pieces of the crib, garbage. We've been working on a lot of stuff. And here are the overalls in all of their glory. These are like by far the cutest overalls I've ever had in my entire life. Okay, I'm stalling. Let's get started. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Born ready right here.
I'm ready.
My partner in crime. And my other partner in crime. Are you ready to get to work? All right, so if you watched my last vlog where we were working on the sun, you can see we have like a half circle drawn out here, and then we have the rays. And we went over each one of the rays with the white paint color that we have on the wall already. That's supposed to help with any bleeding that can happen. It's probably not gonna be perfect. I'm totally okay with that, but I really, really, really appreciate that tip that so many of you guys gave me when I first started this project, because I think it's gonna make it a whole lot easier. And even if we have to do some touch-ups at the end, and even if it's not perfect, I really think I'm gonna absolutely love this. Wait, I don't know if I said, the crib goes here. I'm just assuming you guys can read my mind. The crib goes here. The sun is shining. Do you see the vision? It's official!
Yeah.
just super, super happy with how it looks. All right, so as we were working on painting in the nursery, it started raining and it got really dark outside. So we don't have the actual sun on our side right now, but I'm super happy with how that looks right now. I can't even tell you. But right now, as that dries, we're gonna work on the crib. We're gonna assemble it out here just so we're not like in that room as the paint is drying as much as we can avoid it. And then we're just gonna slide it in. We also have to put the rug in too. There's a lot of things we need to do. All right, let's just take a quick moment to appreciate Grant's t-shirt choice today.
Yeah.
Outfit of the day. In moments like this when we're working on something, and this is totally not what we normally do in life, Luna just studies us intently. Like, what is going on? This is not what my people normally do. Taking it all in. What do you think, Toonie? I don't think that you can tell with these overalls, but I'm having a very, very pointy contraction. My stomach like comes to a point. It is the strangest thing ever. In other news, the crib is coming along. All right, so after a few bumps along the road, a few breaks also, we are getting back in here. It's been 4 hours and we're gonna do a second coat on the sun. Honestly, I kind of feel like we could just get away with one coat, mostly because the crib is gonna be right here centered on the semicircle. So it'll cover a lot of the little like patchiness left by the roller. But we went back and forth and we decided it'll just be easier to go ahead and do a second coat. It'll probably be a whole lot faster than the first coat, and I think it'll just make it look absolutely perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. The second coat is done. We got it done about 15 or 20 minutes ago, and I think now is the perfect time to peel the tape. I feel like this is gonna be so satisfying. Woo! Oh my gosh. This feels so good. That they did. Woo! We did it!
You did it!
Yeah.
Crushed it.
Oh, it's cute. Our child is so lucky.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
It came out. Cool.
Totally. Oh my gosh, I am so happy. Come see it, Luna. Come on. What do you think? She doesn't care. I, however, am wildly impressed with how well that worked out. Oh my gosh, these lines are so crisp and clean. It almost looks like tape or something. It worked out so well. The one spot where our tape kind of failed us is down here at the baseboard, but it's just so minor that will be extremely easy to touch up. And honestly, a lot of this is going to be covered by the crib, so we'll only have to account for like, I don't know, like a foot or so on each side. I don't remember the measurements, but right now I am just like overjoyed, and I'm ready to go ahead and bring in the rug and the crib. Oh no, here he comes. Oh my gosh, it's all happening. Moment of truth. Dooney, Dooney baby. All right, we're trying to just go ahead and slide this crib right on into the room. The drawers are in. They're so cute. I'm so happy. All right, I think Luna's favorite part of the room is pretty obvious already, but let me show you everything. We've got the crib, we've got our son, fluffy rug. And over here, I totally didn't show you our new cabinet pulls. They're so cute. I feel like it kind of mirrors the sun theme. And then up here, we've got a new lamp. And my absolute favorite thing in this entire room, Georgetta made us this Bambi art, and it could not be more perfect. I am so in love with this. It was really the first thing that I knew I wanted in the nursery. And once I got it, I was like, okay, I can start everything else. I love all of the colors. I love that she used oil pastels. It's just so beautiful. And she even had the idea to use an acrylic frame like this because she has one like that in her daughter's room. I am just so in love. I'm going to show you all of this again in the light tomorrow just because it's really dark now and you're probably not seeing the colors that great, but obviously we have an announcement. Okay, what do we do?
I don't know. It's a girl.
We tried to do it in unison. We're so corny. Obviously, we're having a girl. I'm just so excited. I could not be happier right now with this nursery. Like, my face hurts. I'm smiling so much. Just like seeing it all come together. Thank you so much, Grant, for helping me so much along the way.
Of course.
This has definitely been like my project, but none of it would have happened without Grant. And I can't wait to put a baby in here.
Yeah, soon.
Obviously, we're gonna need to get a mattress and a whole lot of other stuff. Anyway, we are both completely exhausted. I am so glad you guys were here for this. This is a really special moment for us. I mean, I cannot get over this. This is like my favorite thing in the entire world. I will keep this for the rest of my life, unless my daughter wants it, of course. Anyway, thank you so much again for watching. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. If you are subscribed, thank you so much. You are my people and I love you. Hit the bell for notifications. Give this video a thumbs up. I am so proud of this progress and I'm so glad you guys were here for it. Anyway, I'm exhausted. I'm gonna go. Thanks. I love you. Bye.